Another important tool that any penetration tester should be aware of is a network sniffer. Network sniffer is a tool that allows you to capture traffic from your network and analyze it. And this is very useful, especially if you are doing penetration testing for a wired or wireless network. During this lecture, we're going to explain one of the best network sniffer tool, which is Wireshark. I suggest that you go through those lectures more than one time and get yourself familiar with the tool because it's a very effective tool to capture traffic, analyze it, and allow you to understand how the network is working, and also allow you to understand how it can be manipulated. I know that some people may try to use Wireshark before, but they didn't felt comfortable with the amount of hexadecimal hexa that's showing and the numbers and so on. So we're going to try to simplify how to use this tool. But one more time, I suggest to go through the lecture more than one time and get yourself familiar with. And if you need any additional resources, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you. Now let's start the tool and let's see how to understand the network sniffer, the Wireshark network sniffer, and how to analyze sample traffic. So I'm gonna open the tool, and assuming that is not showing on this short list, I'm gonna type Wireshark, and as you can see I have two Wireshark, so can use either one of them. And before starting, just be aware that my computer, my Kali Linux computer IP is 192.168.163.138. So I'm going to click on OK here. But before start sniffing, I need to change some setting just to simplify the traffic. I mean, whatever I'm going to do right now, you can revert it back after finishing this exercise. So we're going to go to capture, and I'm going to go to option, and then I'm going to remove two different options. I have here an option called enable promiscuous mode, which is enabled, and promiscuous mode will allow the Kali Linux machine to capture not only traffic coming and going to the Kali Linux machine, but to capture any traffic inside your network. So if I keep it on right now, we're going to get a huge amount of traffic. So I'm going to just remove it temporarily, and once I finish the exercise, I'm going to get it back. So now I'm only going to capture traffic going and coming to my Kali Linux machine locally. And then from option here, I can also remove this one, resolve MAC address. This also generates some traffic. So we're going to click on close. So you can do that just to simplify the traffic that will be captured at the beginning, and then you can enable them back. Then we're going to choose capture traffic from which interface. I mean, if you are capturing wireless traffic, you're going to capture from a wireless network adapter. But in my case, I'm going to capture from ETH0, which is Ethernet 0. This is the LAN network adapter. So I'm asking him to capture only traffic from LAN network adapter. I'm going to double click on it, and he's going to start capturing the traffic. And I need to generate some traffic. So let me open the browser and let me type any website. So for instance, www.google.com. So I think anyway, I went to a specific website. I think I was playing with the DNS, so that's why I'm typing Google. He get me something else. Let me go to, but this will do it. So I went to the specific website, and as you can see, some traffic has been captured here. So I'm going to stop this traffic, and then we're going to start analyze the traffic that we captured.